Congratulations! You have successfully made it to the first segment of this course, How Computers Work. If you have not checked out the introduction to the series, go do it right now. Computers. Where can't you find them? They are on desktops, in cars, in your bag, around wrists, and they may even be in your hands right now. But have you ever thought what actually makes a computer a computer? See, humans have been creatively discovering their surroundings and creating tools ever since. They discovered fire, invented wheels, hammers, and almost anything else. In this process of continuously evolving, they wondered if a machine could be built to solve equations or keep track of the time or track stars in the sky. When the first computer was built, the inventors realized that the computer had to do at least four basic things. First, it would need to take input, then store the information, process it, and then finally output the result. Although these are only four simple and sober steps, this is what actually makes a computer a computer. One of the first computers was just big clunky machines which actually took up a whole room. Earlier, they were made up of basic materials like wood and metal, but by the 20th century, though, they modernized a bit. Still, it would take hours for those old clunky machines to calculate a simple mathematical problem, which was actually pretty cool in that era. But now we all use phones to chat with each other and do various other things which were not possible earlier. First, let's talk about the first mark on the checklist, inputs. Inputs are basically all of the things which you do which actually makes your computer do stuff. For example, this could be you pressing the keys on your new keyboard or the touch screen sensing someone's finger touching a mobile phone. Cameras and LiDAR technology on a self driving car like Tesla, and also the GPS, which helps you navigate to your destination effortlessly. Anything which sends information to the computer can be termed as an input. The next step comes now. Then all of this information goes to the memory of your computer. After that, going through a series of commands or algorithms by processing all that build up information. This step is actually carried out a few times and finally an output is generated. This output is according to what the machine is supposed to do. For example, the output may be a video, a text document, a video game, and even something printed with a 3D printer. It can be to move an arm of a robot or display something as virtual reality. Computers have been evolving ever since, and it is surely up to us to determine what they look in the future. But regardless of their purpose, they will still carry out the four basic functions: input information, store it in the memory, process it, and then output the result. Thanks for watching.